Howdy folks, Chief Meteorologist Carson Vickroy here. Wanted to give you a quick update. First and foremost, severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock this evening. This watch was issued for the storms that have already formed, which have already had a history of producing some large hail, damaging wind gusts. You get the idea, right? And we could still see these storms through 9 o'clock this evening. Now, the big question is if and when we do see that line of thunderstorms to our northwest. If these storms do become more numerous that we're seeing right now, that might help stabilize the atmosphere. But at this point, I don't think we have enough activity on the radar to say it's going to completely weaken that line of storms we're going to see moving in a little later on this evening, which it does have a lot of derecho characteristics, which is your typical squall line or line of storms that moves in, but it's a very intense squall line. So here's what I expect to happen. Between 11 o'clock and 3 o'clock this morning, I do expect a line of storms to move in from the northwest. It's probably going to be more intense over the DFW area than it is over East Texas. But Tyler, Longview, you're looking at anywhere between 11 and 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning. Now, for deep East Texas, it's going to be a bit later, between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m., because these storms, they're not going to be moving super quickly, and it's going to take them some time to get to deep East Texas, so we're watching that. We've seen this multiple times before, an enhanced threat. That is nothing new for us here in East Texas. Have those flashlights ready, because if we do see 75-plus mile-an-hour winds, which is what the National Weather Service suggests, we will see some power outages. Have ways to get warnings. One way you can do that is keep those phones charged tonight. Have a NOAA weather radio. Make sure you download your favorite app to ensure that you do get those warnings, and make sure your ringers are on so that they can wake you up, because some of these severe thunderstorm warnings could be of the considerable and destructive category, where I would want you to treat that like a tornado warning and make sure you are seeking shelter, because they pose that danger as well, with the potential of trees coming down and power lines coming down. But again, folks, take a deep breath. I will be here most of the night watching these storms for you, and we'll get through it together. Have a great evening.